Racing our F1 cars in Suzuka, Japan. Coming up next. Hello slot car race fans, welcome back to another Monster Hobbies F1 race night as we race our Formula One cars right down here at Suzuka, Japan. This track is a copy of the 1965 version of it, and I want to show you how to build it over on our Patreon channel. But first, watch this video because in the real world, they will be racing this on October 13th, 2019, but tonight, on February 27th, we will be racing it so that we can show these F1 drivers in the real world all the thrills, chills, and spills of this amazing track. And in order to do that, I need your help. So please like, subscribe, share this video, click that notification bell so that every time you see one of our videos, you will be the first to know. And let's get it up to 100 likes so that it gets up there in that Google search engine and the real F1 drivers can actually see how it goes. And finally, don't forget that I'm going to be giving away a special thing. And in order to know how to get that item, you have to watch the whole video, and at the end I will explain how it goes. So without further ado, let's crack right into racing and go down to our start-finish gate. Ten laps, 15634. Whoa! Nice. Lifted up the car and you got underneath. Who are you rooting for? Write it in the comments below. Root for me, I should win.
I don't even know where I'm at. Oh, there.
You're at Monster Hobbies.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. If I say you are, you are.
Kevin, you're in a safe place. Don't worry.
Am I? You know what? Help me!
Find your happy
easy there. Oh, can you get me? Right underneath.
Oh man, we were just together. Oh!
So we're into race 6, and Kevin broke his pin off, so he's going to be racing Francesco. And now here we are at the end of the race night. I ended up with 66 points, putting me in first for the night. Howard was second with 37. Glenn was in third place with 34. Kevin was in fourth place with 31. And Mark came in fifth with 22. Now let's go see how that ends up in our standings for the entire league. And here we are at the end of an amazing league. I came in first place to win the entire league with 363 points. This is quite rare because usually if I come in first, it's because there has been a big absence of people. However, this time around, that was not the case. So coming in second is Kevin with 316 points. In third place is Mark with 231. Fourth was Glenn with 228. Fifth was Josh with 227. And in sixth place, Howard with 169. Great racing. Can't wait to see you guys in the next league. And wasn't that an exciting race night and an exciting race league? And I sure hope that the person that you voted for ended up winning the entire league. If you voted for me, hey, thanks very much, because I finally won one of the Monster Hobbies store leagues, which is very, very rare if you go through all my previous videos. And I usually win the league around Christmas because people are on vacation and not everybody shows up. But this time, everybody showed up and I actually won. So if you voted for me, thank you very much. That was amazing. So in our next slot car league, covering March and April, we will be doing the Ford GTs. This is going to be my car versus the Chevy CR7. So that will be an amazing thing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, click that notification bell so when we start that series coming up in the next week, you will be able to watch it first, and that will be absolutely amazing. And say if you like to do stuff and you have your own slot car track you want to build Suzuka Japan, check it out over on our Patreon account. I'm going to leave the link below. You just click there And for as little as $3 a month, you can unlock all kinds of great tracks. This one will be a little more to unlock, of course. But if you unlock this one, you can unlock every single track on that video, which has great videos there to help you to build these tracks. I know because I made the videos. So now we come to the end of our video, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about our giveaway contest. This is exclusive to all our subscribers. But what you got to do is go in the link below and click there, because that's a video that has the contest rules for this. And this is a great wrecker from Carrera. It's got lights, sounds, and a drop-down tailgate. Josh has one. It is great fun. You can hook up any car you like onto this thing, except for the F1s because of the long nose. The horn works and the lights light up. It is a cool giveaway. A giveaway that I want to give to you, but we got to get up to 5,000 subscribers. Currently we have 3,820 from last count. So keep up the good work, guys. And until next time, we will see you in Germany.